Bergamot Essential Oil, Supplement, and Tea. Health uses and benefits. Bergamot is a citrus fruit known for its powerful health benefits, especially when used as an essential oil, supplement, or tea. Grown mainly in southern Italy, it supports both physical and emotional wellness. 1. Bergamot Essential Oil. Extracted from the peel, bergamot oil is widely used in aromatherapy and skincare. Reduces stress and anxiety. It's fresh. Citrus scent helps calm the mind by lowering cortisol and boosting serotonin and dopamine. Improves mood, ideal for diffusers or massages. It uplifts and eases emotional tension. Fights bacteria with natural antibacterial properties. It can be used diluted to help treat acne and minor cuts. Enhances skin, often added to skincare products to balance oil and reduce inflammation. Note, it can increase sun sensitivity. Avoid sun exposure after applying it to the skin. 2. Bergamot Supplement. Available in capsules or powders. Bergamot supplements offer potent internal benefits. Lowers cholesterol, high in flavonoids. Bergamot helps reduce bad cholesterol (LDL) and boost good cholesterol (HDL). Balances blood sugar. May aid glucose control and insulin response. Beneficial for those with metabolic concerns. Supports liver health. Reduces liver fat and oxidative stress. Enhancing detox functions. Fights inflammation. Its antioxidants help reduce chronic inflammation. Supporting overall health. 3. Bergamot Tea. Commonly recognized in Earl Grey tea, bergamot adds flavor and wellness perks. Aids digestion, helps relieve bloating and soothe stomach discomfort. Boosts immunity, packed with antioxidants that help defend against infections. Improves focus, contains mild caffeine for mental clarity without overstimulation. Supports weight control, may assist in fat metabolism and weight management. Conclusion: bergamot offers a natural way to support mental clarity, heart health, immunity, and emotional well-being. Whether used as an oil, supplement, or tea, it's a versatile addition to a healthy lifestyle. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding new supplements to your routine.